last 12 hours. 12, not even, yeah, 12 hours. Look at this stuff. It's a winter wonderland. Four-wheel drive SUV never fails me. Thank God I got a Pep Boys only 3 miles from the house. Not 3 miles, 3 blocks from the house. Not 3 miles. And my old trusty SUV. I didn't go to work this morning because I was worried it would give me, got a nail in that tire that's low. I would just figure that it would be go flat on me. Somewhere in between here and there. So you've never lived until you've been in a snowstorm and you got wind blowing snow in your face. Actually, the mask helps a little bit, keeping my face warm, because I'd usually have a snow mask on. So, ho ho ho. Hello from the North Pole. Streets are pretty bare, except for the snow plows. Across the street. Boy, I wish I could got my snowshoes out yesterday. I'd go snowshoeing today. But I think the storage place is closed where I have my snowshoes. It's actually an old Revolutionary War church, pre-Revolutionary War, that's now, believe it or not, Korean. Because there's a lot of Koreans here. New Jersey. Snowplow. Oh my God! It's gonna run me over! He wasn't too happy. There you go. There's the courthouse. Look at this guy. You gotta wipe the snow off your car first. Not trying to get this car moving back and forth at the Argentinian place. Mucho frío! Right? Hey! Hola, amigos. Well, I made it back to the shack over there.